tell us a bit about who you are. What's going on? How do you know me? How do you know everybody? What's going on?
My name's Maiev. I'd like to thank my uncle, PJ, and Meg's Nuggins for inspiring me to be a streamer. And I'd also like to thank my mother who inspired me to bake. Today we are going to be baking a smash cake.
Thank you. I appreciate those words. I love streaming, and it's only because of the people that I stream with. I really love having fun, and we talked about it before we went live, is that we want to have fun always, and I always stream with super fun people. So I'm super inspired when you want to stream, because I know that you're super fun and you want to also have fun, right? And you want to share your funness with everybody. Can I say the word fun more often or no?
Yeah, sure.
Probably not. Oh, wait, this guy. So you're making a smash cake is what you said. I'm sorry, right?
Yeah.
So this is what Maiev is baking today. Boom. Oh, it's
or variants of that.
Equivalent to it or variation. Variation is the word. If you haven't figured out, even from the last stream that Danny and I did with you, variation can either be embraced or made fun of heavily. There was, yeah. Danny and I did quite the opposites, and it seemed to work out well because it tasted good.
I am making it for my friend Lachlan. It's his first birthday.
Is he 25 years old and he's celebrating his first birthday ever? Or
No.
is he literally turning 1?
He's literally turning 1.
Oh, okay, good enough.
Okay, let's get started. To start off, you're going to want to wash your hands. You want to do that before you bake anything.
Is washing your hands the most important? By the way, if people haven't figured out, it's going to be you and me hanging out for this stream. You're going to do all the serious stuff, and I'm just going to probably shoot sarcasm at you the whole time. Does that sound good? Does that sound like a good plan? I'll keep you on your toes?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, good. So, why do we wash our hands? Is that important? Does it make it more slick
Get
for
away
picking up
germs.
dough?
Germs. You wash your hands to get away the germs.
It's good advice.
That's why you wash your hands a lot. 3 bananas. The more mush, the better.
The more mushy the bananas, the better?
Yeah.
Oh, like older bananas? I literally said bananas by mistake.
Like these. Or like more brown.
Okay.
The better.
Why the more brown the better?
They're sweeter. Next you're gonna need 3 room temperature eggs.
You're throwing so many variables out. Why does it have to be room temperature? Why are you giving me all this ammunition to ask?
You want to keep your ingredients at a somewhat stable temperature. So it's always better when you're baking to use room temperature eggs.
There we go. I didn't know.
Fun fact.
Hashtag didn't know. Okay.
Yeah, no applesauce, Maiev.
That was the secret ingredient when we got together last time. Yeah, okay. Let's be very clear. He's probably just going to pick it up and throw it on the ground. This whole cake.
He's gonna eat some of it probably.
It's a smash.
Oh.
Bo, one. Oh. Bo the doggo!
Is your mom your sous chef today, by the way?
Yes.
I never knew what sous chef meant. Is that soon to be chef? Pardon me, soon to be chef.
Chef, isn't it?
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Under chef?
No, soon to be chef. Sous chef. Soon to be chef. That's
From here on out. All right. And we can go overboard with cinnamon, right?
No. The ingredients are strict, young lady.
Okay. So in the blender, what have we got, Maiev? We've got 2 cups of
Oats.
And we've got 1 teaspoon of baking
Powder.
and then 1 teaspoon of
Baking soda.
and then, sorry, it was a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. I wrote that wrong. And how much cinnamon?
1 teaspoon.
Okay.
not loud at all. Blender. Oh, that's pretty blended. Well done. Well done. Cool. Is that one of the blenders that they use in Will It Blend? where it can blend like an iPhone and stuff?
Don't think so.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Terralani is Lachlan's mom.
Is this like wedding day where she shouldn't see it being baked like before consumption? Is that even a thing? I don't know what that means.
Pour the cracked eggs into the blender. So slimy. So very slimy.
Why didn't we just crack the eggs in the blender?
Because since we're making it for a baby, we don't want to accidentally put eggshells in.
Well said.
Yeah,
Arrogant people like Danny and I would just one-handedly crack eggs directly in, and people who eat our cakes just know that you're getting a reward when you get a piece of eggshell. So.
Hi.
There's the man behind the man. There's Alex. And Pete, you're right. That's the Alex that kicked your butt on Sunday for Mario Kart.
Yeah, it is.
Yep, go for it. That blender is aggressive. Yeah.
Put it in the oven for 20 minutes and then check it.
Good.
I'm just going to get rid of some of this maple syrup.
We missed some.
Sorry.
Whoa. No, it's good. You got standards. If you got standards, it's good.
You can easily take white fondant, roll it out, add 1 drop of dye, and fold it again.
We got other people joining, and Pete said that there would be food. Get the food out to the hungry chat. Am I correct that as a baker or as a chef, you throughout the process you get to nibble on whatever you're making? Am I right or no? Oh, I like it. Not using traditional tools is the best. Danny, the things she got us to make were amazing. Went straight to his hips, though. Luckily, the pleasure center of his brain was also located there. Oh, his hips don't lie, in case you're wondering.
Do you think Lachlan will share the cake? Honestly, no, because a lot of it's going to be on the floor, probably.
Exactly. That's a one-year-old dealing with cake. Yeah, I'm with you.
Happy birthday to the ground!
The blue that you've got looks really similar. That looks really good, as a matter of fact. What you're rolling out, I don't think we got clarification on it. What you're rolling out is actually fondant, right?
Fondant.
Alex, it's taste test time.
Hi, everybody.
There's Alex.
Is it good? Is the fondant good? Yep.
Okay, tell us more. What's going on? You got it flattened out?
Okay,
Let's keep on task here. I like it. Yeah.
So they're like mini drumsticks.
Yeah, or just throw it in the trash, right? Just whatever ice cream you're not going to eat, just get rid of it. Just don't even bother eating it, right? Just throw it out. Oh, you ate it? Okay, that's good. Well, then you're doing it right. But it's like a reward. Is that whatever you're not using, you get to consume and you get to enjoy, right? I like it. This cake was made with aggression and love at the same time.
Creamy cream cheese frosting.
Whoa. Yeah.
It's
1 spoon for the cake, 1 spoon for my face. That's the math. Am I right? I feel like you're baking wrong unless you're constantly sampling and taking from. Am I wrong? Pete's got it
you
right.
aren't wrong, but you aren't right.
Can you make chicken cakes? Chicken cake. What does that mean? A chicken cake is a meatloaf. What is angel food cake? I think it's like saying like Gatorade drink liquid.
That doesn't make sense.
Exactly. Like food cake doesn't make sense. But drink liquid, isn't that the same thing? Novel incoming. There you go. Covers everybody's face. Read her up. Oh. Okay. Lesson. I didn't know that. How many angel food cakes can you eat in one sitting is the question, and not gain a pound?
0.
Oh, Danny has requested close-ups of the doggo, please. Just reminding everybody that this is what Maiev is making, or a variation thereof. Why would you throw an ice cream at a cake? Yeah, you're right. It's like a gavel. Guilty of too many calories. Oh.
But do you want
Synchronized cupboard opening. That was weird. Was that planned? I think you planned it. What's the melt rate to enjoyment? The melt to enjoyment ratio of ice cream cake. What are you working on?
Homemade glaze icing.
Gotta have a messy kitchen to get work done. Doesn't it make sense like in movies where whenever people are baking, they always have like flour on their nose or just like everything is, there's always a funny montage where people are making mistakes and stuff and somehow an amazing cake turns out? No. Was that one drop of red?
Yep.
Whoa. Cool.
And we are going to be just
Whoa, what are you doing?
putting the thing into the cake.
What?
And
I'm
then-
not okay with what I'm witnessing here.
Trust me, you will be. It's not.
Oh, okay.
I know that there's going to be the average size.
Okay. I'm all worried here. I'm all worried. We're good. Okay. Wow. This is cool.
Then you're going to do your second one. It's a 3-tiered mini cake.
Happy birthday to the ground. Yeah, 3 tiers for this 1-year-old. Eternity Creepers here. Nice. Oh, what? Yeah.
The mouth says everything. Too big
It's
for
a
mouth.
family drama cooking show now.
I'm giving it a name. Its name is now Mr. Otter.
Oh, it's very
Your dog.
original. What food makes you feel good?
Coconut cream pie.
So if you had just like broken up with a boyfriend or something like that and you needed
Whoa!
Okay, well let's not talk about the boys. Let's talk about like if you I don't know, lost your job at Taco Bell or something like that, then you'd want to cry into a coconut cream pie basically is what you're saying, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds
Put
right.
my face into it.
Whoa, what's happening? Wow. Now, correct me if I'm wrong. You don't need to make fondant these days, right? You just buy it anywhere. I just went to Michael's and bought some and realized how easily you can just buy a whole sheet of icing that you could just probably nibble on if you went to the fair. Like just roll it up into like a churro and just eat it. Am I right? What if you were to make a waffle cone shape out of fondant and then just fill that with ice cream? I'm inventing stuff here, guys. Roll with it. So you make it into a sombrero. I'm with you. Yep. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Good job.
We ain't done yet, boy.
Oh, snap. Your sister's doing a good job, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Hashtag. We ain't done yet, boy.
The thing, like that.
Good.
Then you're going to want to put it anywhere in the cake that you want. I'm putting it in the middle. Like that.
Let's see that. That's
You good?
pretty neat. Yeah, wow. That turned out really, really cool. Now I'm seeing it all come together. That was the icing where it was like one red drop.
Maiev, can you hold the icing? Hold it up top and just let it drip right there.
And are you just like putting lots of stuff on top so that it kind of just falls over? Oh, look at that. That's neat.
I'm not doing that, Mom is.
Yeah, that's cool though. You're doing a good job with the camera there, bud.
Thanks.
Okay, all right, Kate.
Okay.
We're gonna use this rainbow sprinkle, some golden sprinkles,
I like it. I like it.
and some pearly blue and white sprinkles. Oh my god!
That's what we're doing there. Wow. Ken's eating a non-bruised banana right now. That's neat. Good for him.
Classic banana.
Careful, don't spill. I think Lachlan is going to love this.
It's gonna now go around the brim of the cake.
Good.
So that you're getting in the corner.
This part requires so much precision. Wow.
What are we doing? Happy birthday?
Uh-oh. We're going for a ride.
Oh. Not dish that goes by. Oh. Leave it.
Oh, no. We're going for a ride. Bo decided that he wanted to be a cameraman, too.
Next, we are gonna take these giant candy sprinkles. Happy birthday.
You got to make sure that you got all the letters in the right order. No regrets. So that it doesn't say Happy Nurth Day or something like that. This is turning out really cool. Wow, that looks really cool. Oh my goodness, careful.
Okay, so happy birthday.
That's well done. That's well done. You got to take some pro photos of that now. Let's do a little bit of comparative here really quickly. Yoink. Yeah, that's well done. Yeah, A+ work. How do people feel about this, everybody? Ella says it's gorgeous. Steve says well done. A+. We're getting hearts. Ken says awesome. Pete slides in there with a very good. He kind of lowballed there a tiny bit. Instead of it's awesome or great job, he slides in with a very good. That's fair. That's fair. That's a C. He gave you a C. Jarfish says, thank you, Maiev. Blown away. I'm super proud of you. A ++++. Slash. Super awesome debut stream. Yep. Agreed. How do you feel tonight?
I feel good. I'm not going to take all the credit. Mom helped me a lot with it.
The interesting thing about that statement is that we can corroborate it because we saw your mom helping. So it's very handy. Pete says he can't wait for your next stream. Well, then we're going to do this again soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.